Good morning students. Till now we have already done the two events of the sexual reproduction, that is pre-fertilization events and the events that take place during the process of fertilization. Today we will study more about the events that take place after the process of fertilization. Usually the events of the sexual reproduction that take place after the formation of zygote are called as post-fertilization events. That means the events which take place after the formation of diploid zygote are post-fertilization events. In organism belonging to the fungi and algae, zygote develops a thick wall that is resistant to the desiccation and damage. It undergoes a period of rest before germination. So the process of post-fertilization event include development of zygote, which is also known as zygote development, and the development of embryo, which is known as embryogenesis. So first of all, we will study about the process of embryogenesis. The process of development of embryo from the zygote is known as embryogenesis. During this process, zygote undergo cell division to increase the number of cells and cell differentiation to form specialized tissue and organ. These specialized tissue or organ ultimately form the organ system, and the organ system combine to form a particular organism. Based on whether the zygote develop outside the body of female parent or inside, animals can be classified into oviparous and viviparous respectively. Oviparous animals are those animals which lay fertilized egg. The fertilized egg have calcareous shell and young ones hatch out after a period of incubation. The chances of survival of young one is less as the female lays egg in the environment outside. Another type of animal are viviparous animal. These type of animal give birth to the young ones. The fertilized egg or the zygote has no shell and it develops into a young one inside the body of the female. The chances of survival of the young one is more because of the proper embryonic care and protection inside the mother body. For example, majority of the mammals including human being are viviparous animals. Another process of post-fertilization event is zygote development. In external fertilization, zygote is usually formed in the external medium, whereas in internal fertilization, zygote is formed inside the body of organism. Further development of zygote depend upon the life cycle and the environment. Zygote ensure continuity of the species between organism of one generation and the next. In flowering plant, the zygote is formed inside the ovule where the zygote develop into an embryo. After fertilization, the sepals, petals and stamen of the flower wither and fall off. The fertilized ovule develops into a seed and ovary develops into fruit. The seed, after dispersal in favorable condition, germinate to produce new plants. The outermost protective covering of fruit is called pericarp or the fruit wall. So students, this is the last topic of the post-fertilization event as well as the last topic of your chapter Reproduction in Organism.